It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 22nd of January. I'm Michael Groff. A rather quiet day ahead with mostly cloudy sky. There could be an isolated shower across the Phoenix area today. But then as we head into the weekend and next week, we turn colder and unsettled as two major storm systems take aim in the southwest. And that will bring us a hodgepodge of weather, including rain, isolated thunderstorms, maybe some small hail. And yes, there is that possibility of a few snowflakes as well. Yes, a wild weather scenario setting up. We'll talk about it in just a moment. But first, it is Friday, so that means it's Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos or videos that you guys have submitted. And first up, here's a picture of the sunset courtesy of David Parnell from the other night here in the valley. That looks fantastic. And then this picture is courtesy of Chris Martin. This is from his cabin in Ash Fork, Arizona. That's in the central part of the state up around the 5,000 foot level. This is the sunrise from the other morning, and that looks absolutely beautiful. And then these next few pictures are from Ryan Seek from out in the desert, and some of these just look like a painting. And not only is it great to see pictures of Arizona in all its glory, but you guys are all great photographers as well. It's wonderful to see your creativity, so thank you so much for submitting. And then during my prep from one of the videos earlier this week, I came across this picture off of social media. This was posted by one of the meteorologists in the southeast part of the country. This is from Arkansas, the sunrise there on Tuesday morning. That is gorgeous as well. So if you want to get in on Photo Friday, you can always do so. groffshow@gmail.com. That's my email address, groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's dive in and take a look at that almanac from yesterday. 73 degrees was the afternoon high. That low temperature of 58, that occurred at 11:59 p.m. last night, and we just avoided another record warm low temperature for the date. We picked up a trace of rain officially at Sky Harbor. A few of you actually did see 1 or 2 hundredths of an inch across the valley. And as we look outside right now, here at 6:55 a.m., mostly cloudy sky in the valley, and we're sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 49, relative humidity 80%. The winds are light and the barometer 29.99 inches and steady. Temperatures this morning, again, rather mild. 48 is the cool spot at Buckeye. Otherwise, most locations around the metro are in the 50s. The upper air look shows our next weather maker beginning to deepen. That trough out there just along the northern California coast this morning. That will begin to affect us later tonight and tomorrow, and that should continue through Sunday. Here's the watch warning map. Already some winter storm warnings up across the rim country, including the Flagstaff area, in effect from 8 p.m. this evening through 5 p.m. Sunday, as the snow is really going to start piling up there. 1 to 2 feet of snow in some spots, maybe even a few locations see more than that. Elsewhere across the country, some scattered winter weather issues and wind out here in the west. A few dense fog advisories for the remainder of the country, but overall, east of the Rockies, it's fairly quiet right now. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather. Some pockets of thunder found across the western states, including over northwest Arizona today or tonight as that system approaches us. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between about 1 1/4 and 1 3/4 of an inch, and could see amounts exceeding 3 to 5 inches up along the rim country. And again, that's what we call liquid equivalent precipitation, because some of that is going to come down in the form of snow. And we could be talking about the snow being measured in feet up that way. So yes, it's a wild weather pattern. We'll see what we can find out. What's going to happen here as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Deepening trough to the north and west of us as a ridge continues to amplify out there over the North Pacific. So down at the surface today, a mostly cloudy day. And again, this is going to be very similar to what we've seen the last couple of days. A lot of clouds around. There might be an isolated shower someplace across the valley today, probably not even enough to wet the sidewalks. If it does happen, I've actually kept our forecast dry, but again, there just could be a sprinkle or a few raindrops someplace. Highs this afternoon in the mid and upper 60s. Tonight, mostly cloudy. There could be an isolated light shower after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s. And then tomorrow we turn breezy, mostly cloudy, isolated showers in the morning, scattered showers in the afternoon, and it will be cooler. High temperatures only in the upper 50s to low 60s. Saturday night, and then as we get into Sunday, numerous showers around as this next system comes through. High temperatures Oof, only in the low to mid 50s. Yeah, a rather chilly day for Sunday. Temperatures at least 10 to 15 degrees below average. Okay, now here comes Monday, a very cold upper trough now swinging into the southwest United States. Take a look at that. Upper heights across Southern California and Southern Nevada around 531 decameters. We're under 540 decameters even here in the Phoenix area. That's pretty impressive. And look at these temperatures at the 500 millibar level. That's about 18,000 feet off the ground. Minus 33, minus 34 Celsius over western Arizona. That is some incredibly cold air aloft. So the day on Monday is cloudy. We'll have periods of rain, heavy at times, and with this very cold air aloft, could see some isolated thunderstorms, especially if we get a few breaks in the clouds at all. And any thunderstorms that do form would have the potential to put down some small hail, some gusty winds, maybe even a convectively driven ice or sleet or graupel event down toward the upper levels of the deserts, say in the North Valley, northern Maricopa County. Could even get a brief burst of snow out of that. And high temperatures on Monday probably stay in the upper 40s to low 50s. It's going to be a very cold day and windy at times as well. Then on Monday night, the cold core of this upper low begins to move across Arizona, and rain will continue to be likely, but it could change over at times to snow in parts of the greater Phoenix metro area, particularly up there around Surprise, Anthem, Carefree, Cave Creek, North Scottsdale, the McDowell Mountains, Fountain Hills, some of those favored higher elevation areas. And you could even see some briefly accumulating snow there. Now, this is still not set in stone. There's a lot of uncertainty on this, but it is a possibility just given how cold this system is. Do I think it's going to snow in downtown Phoenix or at Sky Harbor Airport? Yeah, probably not. But this is an interesting setup that we're going to have to continue to monitor, as it is a rather unusual one for us with that very cold air aloft. And then on Tuesday, still rain showers, maybe some snow showers likely in the morning, and then just changing over to plain old rain in the afternoon. But Tuesday is still going to be a chilly day with off and on showers. High temperatures again, upper 40s and low 50s. Very cold. And again, Tuesday night, the snow levels will come down. Now, the rain will be moving out. The precipitation will start to end. But as it does, a few brief bursts of some snow showers in northern Maricopa County, the north parts of the metro area, the favored upslope areas of the metro area. Not out of the question. Then on Wednesday, finally, that begins to move out of here and we dry out a bit. High temperatures on Wednesday back in the mid-50s. And I guess there could still be a stray shower around someplace, but we're between systems at this point. Then here comes Thursday, and another system is approaching us from the west. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 29th. Another system coming in, rain knocking on the door again. This system doesn't look to be quite as dynamic, as strong, or as cold as the previous few systems that we've had, but nevertheless, it's still going to be kind of chilly. High temperatures likely stay in the upper 50s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 31st of January, and we still have a very cold area of low pressure sitting out there over the Gulf of Alaska and off the Pacific Northwest coast. A somewhat drier weather pattern here across the southwest, kind of a quasi-zonal flow setting up. And are we done with the precipitation at this point? Will the pattern revert back to where we've been? Well, some of the models say yes, some say no. We'll see how that plays out. That's still way out there toward Fantasyland. Now, as we check out rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the European ensemble, the mean is around 1 2/3 of an inch, and most of that is likely to come down over the next 5 or 6 days or so. Some of the members range from around 3/4 of an inch all the way up to as much as 3 inches. So the model spread is still very high here. And hey, just for the heck of it, because we're talking about snow, let's take a look at the snow output coming off of the European ensemble. Again, 51 members, about, 7, 8, 9 of them are showing measurable snow in Phoenix. Now keep in mind, this is at Sky Harbor Airport. I sincerely doubt that there will be any snow at Sky Harbor. But some parts of the metro, again, above about the 2,000, the 2,500 foot level, would not be surprised to see at least a few flakes. And let's check out temperatures off the European ensemble. And the word here is brr. How about a high of just 49 on Tuesday? And we'll keep temperatures below average until we get out there toward the end of next week. And maybe as we move into February, our readings get back a little bit closer to average. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. But with the threat of inclement weather in here, of course, I'm on a 7-day schedule, so I'm back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so very much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a great Friday, and I'm back here tomorrow.